Just go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be upcycling this mesh wreath that I picked up from the thrift store. The tag said $5, but it was half day off and I got it for $2.50. And I'm going to be using this ribbon, beautiful ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree, in these medium-sized bulbs also. I just want you to look at the texture on here. So pretty. It's not as thin as most Dollar Tree ribbons are. One right here is went ahead and cut about 6 inches of the ribbon, and I went ahead and cut my little angle for the ribbon. So what I'm doing is just adding a 6-inch piece of ribbon around the perimeter of the wreath. I originally started out tying it, doing like a 12-inch ribbon and tied it, but that didn't work out, so I decided to cut it in half and do it this way. So I'm gonna pinch it at the top and then glue all 3 sides together, 2 outsides in the middle, and then I'll put a piece of then I will put some glue on the ribbon and attach it directly to the wreath form, the wired part of the wreath. And I'll attach it where the side that has the snowflake on it will show in the wreath, because the other side is just red. I didn't want that side to show. So you'll see me doing it here. That's the glue that I was telling you about. I was going to attach, going to add to the ribbon. So I'll just wrap it around the frame so that it will stick out. To give it some more decorative appeal. So I have to put it in between the mesh. So I want the ribbon to kind of stick out. And this ribbon doesn't have the wire in it like most Dollar Tree wreaths, so you have to kind of pull it out, sit it on top of the mesh. So now I'm going to add my ornaments. There are only 5. Okay, so now I'm going to add the ornaments. There are 5. I have 1 green that I put at the top. I have 2 gold that I put on each side, and 2 red that I put at the bottom of the wreath. So this video is in participation with Heidi, sonboul, and the blondienextdoor. We are to take a Christmas item and upcycle it, and that's what I have done with this wreath. I want to go ahead and thank these 2 ladies, and I have their links to their channel in the description. Okay, right here what I'm doing is attaching the ornament directly to the wreath using this ribbon that was already attached to the wreath. I thought this would be better than hot gluing it. So you just pull one end through and just tie it down. And that's it. As I was saying, I'll have both of these ladies' channels in the description box, and I'll also have a link to the playlist in the description box. So I like the way this wreath turned out. The ribbon and the ornaments kind of brought it out some, even though they're all the same color, the green and the red. I know it looks a little pink on camera, but this ribbon is actually red. So this wreath was for my daughter, so I paid $2.50 for it, and then the ornaments were $1. That's $3.50, and the ribbon was another $1. So she got a nice mesh wreath for Christmas for $5. Now that's how you save money. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.